Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again, and this is me Kate today with another tutorial videos. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or how to disable your chat hits on Messenger. So let's get started. On your Android device or on your mobile device, just open your Messenger app. As you can see, I'm on my Messenger home screen, and after that on your top left hand corner you will see three icon options. So just tap on there. And now again, just beside your profile you will see a settings icon, so just tap over there again, and now you will be loaded with multiple options. So just scroll a little bit and you will see chat hits option. So here my chat hit turned on, so in order to turn off, simply tap on there. See, the blue toggle is now turned off. So guys, in this way your chat hit is disabled, as simple as that. I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video and if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video, hit the bell icon and get updated with more videos like this. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching again, and we will see you on next video.